Alright, we're going to walk aboard a 747 here. One of the older ones. Looks like a Dash 100 or 200. Obviously with the smaller hump on the front where that upper deck is. Morgan, tell me what you think of 747.
Holy crap, it's huge!
Yeah.
I just can't believe we're going to fly on these things.
Yeah, we'll be flying on a 747 coming back at the end of our trip from Bangkok to Seoul. We're on a 747 Dash 700.
I can't believe I've gone from never flying on a wide body to have 4 different wide body flights for this trip.
Oh yeah, that's why we booked the itinerary that way too.
Hi.
Hello.
So where are you all from?
We're from
Cincinnati.
Lexington, Kentucky. Yeah, and they're from Cincy.
All the way to the other side of the United States.
Yeah.
We've been to the Atlanta Delta Museum.
So the upper
Yeah,
deck.
the Dayton Air Show in Ohio this year. And before we boarded a flight to Thailand. Excited.
So this airplane flew almost 6,000 miles flight test. So no passengers, just all kinds of monitoring systems,
Oh really?
instrumentation. That's cool.
I actually quizzed one of the older flight attendants down there. I said, "Can you guess what plane is on my necklace?" I think he said, I don't know what he said, but this is a DC-3. They actually had a model of it that you could walk in at the Dayton Air Show.